Hello and welcome to another session on SAT Maths. This time we have systems of equations, linear and quadratic, and these are medium level questions. Let's start solving the solutions to the system. So I'm going to have to solve this simultaneously. Okay, that should give me x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1. Okay, 3 and minus 1. And that should be the correct answer. Okay, that also was correct. Let's go back. Okay. A farmer has a rectangular field with a length of 20 miles and a width of 15 miles. I think I'll have to go to that first question again. 20 and 15. He wants to increase the area of the field by 50 square miles. So what is the area of the field right now? It's 20 times 15, which is 300. Okay. He wants to increase it by 50 square miles, so that's 350, by adding an equal rectangular strip on all four sides of the field. So I want this to be an equal rectangle. So let's say I want to add x to this. What will the width become? It's an x on both sides, so that becomes 20 plus 2x, and this becomes 15 plus 2x. 20 plus 2x into 15 plus 2x equals to 350. Now I'll have to expand this. I have to be careful about the multiplication that I have. For x squared plus 70x minus 50 equals to 0. Let's go to quadratic and solve. Okay, 0.544 nearest hundredths, 0.54. I hope I've done this correctly. Just checking my calculations. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's see what we've done incorrectly then. Okay, that's so far so good. I think I've done some calculation mistake. Let's check if we've done a calculation mistake. 4. Okay, that should be 4, not 40. Okay, that's 0.69. So I did a small calculation mistake, otherwise it's fine. Let's do that again later on. Y equals to 2x plus 3 and y equals to x squared plus 1. Which of the following describes accurately the system to the solution? So x squared plus 1 equals to 2x plus 3. Let's solve x squared minus 2x minus 2. If I solve this, let's see what I get. 1 minus 2 and minus 2. Now, if this is giving me x1 and x2, I hope I've done that correctly. Yeah. So the system has two real solutions, I think. Yeah, that's the correct answer. This one says that intersect at only one common point. That means that b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. So 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 equals to 6x plus k. 2x squared minus 13x plus 5 minus k, and b squared minus 4ac should be equals to 0. So b squared minus 4ac should be equals to 0. So 169 minus 40 plus 8k, that's 129 equals to minus 8k, and k equals to minus 129 over 8. Okay, back to answer. That's the correct answer. Which of the following is true? A better system of one linear equation and one quadratic. It can have 0, 1, or 2 real solutions. So all three are possibilities. Okay, and I'll have to do some more questions. It says if the perimeter of a rectangular frame is 60 units and the area is 200 square units, the perimeter of a rectangular frame. Okay, so LW 2L plus W equals to 60 and LW equals to 200. So L plus W should equal 30. L should equal 30 minus W. So 30 minus W into W equals to 200. 30W minus W squared equals to 200, and then W squared minus 30W plus 200. W equals to 20 and W equals to 10. So if W is 10, L must be 10 and L is 20. So 20 should be the largest, whether it's the length or the width. What is the maximum number of solutions for a system? So 2 when you have a quadratic and a linear is the maximum number of solutions. Okay, it's also giving me why the other answers are not possible now. Okay. Okay, a system of one linear and one quadratic can be solved by using substitution method. Yes. In the substitution method, we solve one equation for one of its variables and substitute the resulting expression into the other equation. This reduces the system to a single equation in one variable, which can then be solved using algebraic methods. Yes. Um, okay, that's fine. Okay, now x squared minus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. Now I see something interesting if I can work that out. If I just take a substitution for 3y, it's 6 minus 6 minus 2x. And we'll just replace that here. So you see, I made this question easier. I get x squared minus 4x. So x equals to 0 or x equals to 4. And when x equals to 0, y equals to 2. Okay, and that should be the correct answer. Or there was, oh, that's minus 6. I forgot. That should be the correct answer. Y equals to minus 2. Okay, I would have had to solve for the other one as well. I rushed through this. Consider the system of equations below. Choose the one for is incorrect from the system of equations below. Uh, the quadratic equation can be written as this. This one is fine. The linear equation can be written as this. That's also fine. When substituting x from the linear to the quadratic into the equation, this was x minus y into x plus y. Let's keep that as plus. Let's keep that as one as minus. If I'm taking a substitution for y, it's going to become 5 minus x over 2. So I should have and 5 minus x. So the third one is a little wrong. There's a y here. Okay, I've messed up the substitution here. Okay, I think I'll have to do some of these questions again because I made some errors. Let's check what those errors were. I have forgotten what the answer to this one was. Equals to 2x minus 1, x squared minus 2x minus 3. So x is equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1. Y equals to 5. So 3 comma 5 and minus 1. So that should be the correct answer. Yeah. That was 0.69. We just got that right. We just got the calculation wrong. Okay, I'll have to solve this one again. So x squared minus 2x minus 6 minus 2x plus 6. So x is 0 or 4. When x is 0, y is minus 2. So a or b. And when x is 4, that should be the correct answer then. 3 in the denominator. That was the correct answer to this one. That was the correct answer to this one. Okay. Which of the following is they can have 0, 1, or 2? 20 was the correct answer to this one. 2 was the correct answer to this one. Both the session and reasoning have the correct explanation. There was an error here. Okay, I think that should allow me to level up now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more questions in the next video. Thank you.